Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. So it's to remind you to please, if you're enjoying the content of a creator when you come in and you are revisiting, or if it's your first time here, you could wait to the end of the video. But for me, what I do as soon as I get in, I hit that thumbs up so I don't forget. And that is important for the growth of a YouTuber on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right. Today is the day that I'm going to be sharing with you my add-on order. The add-ons get put into one of the bags that you place your add-ons in. I ended up placing my add-ons in my IPSY Glam bag, which was the last bag that I received. So I had to decipher through and make sure that all the items that were in the bag, which ones were for the bag, that weren't in the bag, which ones were my add-ons. So I decided I was going to do all this separately because I found out, and I always do this and I tell you guys it's important to do, to make notes for yourself of what you've purchased and what's in the bag and things like that, so that when it does arrive, you almost treat it like, well, for me in a business, it's a packing slip. So I could make sure to what is, what I ordered and what they packed is what was in the bag. And there was an item missing. So I will be writing to customer service to inform them. I'm hoping they'll send out the missing item, but sometimes they just credit the amount back. And that was one of the items that started this whole add-ons. So I'm a little disappointed that it wasn't in the bag, but we'll get there when we get there. All right. The other deal that they had going on at that time, and it's ironic because I share with you guys the product choices and I share with you the add-ons and the flash sales. We go through all of that. And I do that with you before I even go in for myself. And the add-ons, when you have more than one bag, you can put the amount of add-ons that they let, which this month I think was 10. You could put 10 in one bag and 10 in the other bag. And that's how I was shopping for the longest time in add-ons. So what ended up happening was there was a deal in one of the bags for the add-ons and that same deal wasn't in the other. So I ended up putting all my add-ons into this bag. And the deal that was going on that time was they were offering a special offer with a free gift with a $25 purchase. So the free gift is one of these, and I have this and I really enjoy it. It's called the Incredible Cosmetics. It's a Rollerball, the original Rollerball gloss in Rolling Like a Honey. And this was free with the $25. So that's there. All right. The next item was one that I could not wait to get this. This is the Benefit Cosmetics. It is one of their brand new launches. It is the Porefessional Super Setting Pore Minimizing Setting Spray. This is the deluxe sample size. It comes in the full carton, and this is, the full color retail, well, it's deluxe sample, so in the carton. And then this is the size that we received. This is a 15 ml. They're saying it is a setting spray that is lightweight, that instantly smooths flawless skin, blurs the look of pores, and mattifies the excessive shine with microfine powders and locks in your look into place for up to 6 hours. After applying your makeup, shake the bottle well, hold it 8 inches from your face, and then mist it evenly all over. It is a non-drying formula. It's made without alcohol. And then they're saying that about the brand that it was founded by two sisters in San Francisco. This quirky brand puts the fun back in makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. And the daughters are now from the two sisters have taken over, and those are the ones that I've met through HSN and things like that. So this is really, really fantastic, and I'm so happy when a new launch is in our box. And this sprays beautifully, like lightweight, just beautiful. The next item that I received, I ended up getting it in 2 colors because I really didn't know which would be the right shade for me. So there's 2 here, and these are the mini DipBrow gel in dark brown and medium brown. And they're saying these are deluxe samples, and they're saying this is a brow gel from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And it's made with ultra precise cone shaped brushes with a waterproof formula. With a few swipes of this gel, it will add volume, definition, structure, and natural looking tint to your brow hairs that last for a full 12 hours. It simply tells you to comb it through your brows in the same direction your hairs naturally grow. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, The founder of Anastasia has been a go-to beauty specialist for top celebrities for years and has single-handedly turned perfect brows and youthful eyes into essential accessories. Now, my brows, I'm very lucky, they're still brown, and you know, none of those cute little grays have showed up, but I have somebody that it has, so that's why I got it in 2 shades. It's for them. So I'm not going to be opening these, but I'm going to show you the difference is here. This one is the medium brown, and this one here is the dark brown. The next one in here that I got is from Purlisse, and this was a new one to me, so I could not wait to get my hands on this. This one is the Pineapple Brightening Cleansing Gel. They're saying this is a deluxe sample size and it's a full 1 ounce. This is a face wash, and they're saying it's the perfect everyday cleanser for a dull or lackluster skin. It is a sulfate-free formula that gently removes buildup and grime, while the Camu improves uneven texture and pineapple extract that is loaded with vitamin C. It helps brighten your skin tone. They tell you to massage it into your damp skin and then rinse it with warm water. It's cruelty-free, and the creator of this, her name is Jennifer Yen, and this is a line of high-performance multitasking skin that draws from the time-tested Asian skincare rituals. And I did open this up to see if there was a safety seal, and there is, but I wanted to smell it, and I'm putting it there for you to smell, that's crazy, that it smells like pineapples. So if you love the scent of fresh and pineapple, this is exactly what I wanted this to be, and it is. It's a clear gel, and they're saying it's sulfate-free, so it's not gonna foam up, but it will be so refreshing to wash my face in the morning with this. I'm so excited that is exactly what I wanted it to be. All right, the next item in here I ordered because I promised myself I was gonna try to stop ordering brushes because I have an overflow drawer of brushes at this point. More than 1 drawer, I'm ashamed to say. So I was a brush person before IPSY, and then it just took me to a whole different level with IPSY. But what I ended up getting were 2. One is called the Conceal and Set, and the other one is called the Contour and Blend. So this one is the Conceal and Set, and I've loved double angled brushes. I know a lot of girls don't because they find it hard to store. I store mine like this in the drawer when I have the dual ends, but they are fantastic. If you're a girl that travels or you have an overnight bag or whatever, these duals are fantastic because they're so multitasking, and I just love them. So this one here is from the brand called Farah. This is an $18 value. It is full size. And this was in the $3 section. Everything that I'm going through is from the $3 section. So this one is made with high quality and cruelty-free synthetic bristles that has a dual-ended brush that can be used to apply and build concealer with precision and set your under eye like a pro. Use the end with the densely packed bristles to apply the concealer with the flat end to place the powder on your under eyes. This is a multitasker that plays nice with both cream and powder textures, and they're saying Farah brushes are your one-stop shop for luxurious, high-end quality, versatile tools. They are very soft. The firmness is not that firm, so it's really nice. It'll blend it really nicely. Really excited to get this one. And then the other one is called the Contour and Blend. So the contour must be the one that has the bit of the angle. And this is also an $18 full size. And again, it's made cruelty-free. And they're saying use the end with the angled bristles to contour and the end of the tapered to blend. This is a multitasker, plays nice with both cream and powder as well. So that is the side that is the contour. And when you look at the brush, it says contour and contour and blend. And where it says contour, you'll know that's the contour side. So if you don't know about the angle, and then the other side is really beautiful and fluffy, and that is the blend. So really excited to get those. To me, that was an absolute no-brainer. So once I started getting like 2 or 3 items, I decided I would go for that 25 for the free item, which is so silly because it's, you know. All right, the next item in here is the Carry On 2. This is from IBY. Now IBY, I've only had the luxury to try their shadows, be it in the $3 section or also in the palettes. So I wanted to try something from their brand because I had to get to that 25. This ended up going in my cart. And this one is a palette blush because I haven't tried any of their face powders. So this one is called Sunkissed. It is a sample size, but it's a large sample size. It's a 3G, it says. And then this says, get a beautiful soft pink flush wherever you go with this mini travel size blush that's perfect for round trips, beach days, and fun in the sun. It is a soft blendable pigment that feels so smooth on your skin it will last for hours. Consider it your go-to blush for any occasion. Use the blush brush to blend onto the apples of your cheeks and upwards towards your ears. It's vegan and free from sketchy ingredients like talc, mineral oil, and parabens. And IBY, they say they use high quality ingredients to create color products that allow you to express your own personality. And this is what it looks like here. This is the shade. We're getting ready for a major storm here, so if anything flickers or you're hearing rumbling and stuff in the background, that's what it is. And we have a neighbor who's building something, a brand new neighbor, and they're not stopping with all that crazy sounds outside. I'm so nervous for them. All right, so this is what this looks like here. And I should leave this open. And then this is what the product looks like there. And still so much on my finger. So, so beautiful. Really, really, really pigmented. Really happy. All right, the next item is a brand that I've told you so many times about. Merci Handy. This was one of my favorite brands, and this is the one that's on my desk. I could tell you about it. This one here, every time I saw it, I purchased another one and another one. It is in the brand called Merci Handy. Merci Handy, and is a hand cream. My favorite is Hello Sunshine. And then they popped in, and it showed up also in the points, and I didn't spend the points on it. And then when I saw it in the $3 section, I said, you know what? Because I didn't want to fall in love with another scent from this brand, because they got me so hooked on this one, and now they just did it again. This one is in the scent that's called Dolce Vita, and it is scrumptious. They are fantastic. Like, I never knew about this brand before this, and now it is one that I look forward to seeing in the section of the $3 or in the bags. So this one is a hand cream, and like I said, it's in the Dolce Vita. It is a deluxe sample, but it is 1 ounce. And this is a hand cream, and they're saying this is the ultra nourishing yet totally lightweight cream. It's about to be your new hand hero. It's packed with vitamins and fatty acid rich sweet almond oil, which is basically the moisturizing superstar for any dry or chapped skins. Massage into your dry hands thoroughly throughout the day as needed. It's also vegan and cruelty free. And they're saying that Merci Handy's mantra is life is rich, beautiful, and surprising. Imagine a colorful parallel universe to integrate into your daily life to bring color wherever you go, making the ordinary extraordinary. And this also had a safety seal on it, but I did have to tear it off so that I could take a whiff of this. And there's something about their brand that their fragrances are just happiness in a tube. So this one is just as good. So if you see the Dolce Vita and you can't find the Hello Sunshine, it's a win. It's an absolute win. And on top of it, they are fantastic, fantastic hand creams. Now, the item that was missing that I really wanted was from GolfadenMD, which I have shared with you numerous times, that the GolfadenMD is a line that I have fallen in love with. It's a very expensive line, so when I see it in the add-on sections, even in sample sizes, I grab them because I've found such a difference every time I've used their products. And the one that I'm missing was a hand cream. It's called Hands to Heart Anti-Aging Brightening Hand Cream. I've owned it, repurchased it, and this was going to be another replenish. And it is fantastic. So if you see that also, that is one that I would recommend. But like I said, I will contact IPSY to tell them it wasn't in my bag. And that's everything that I received in my add-ons for the month of June. And that's it for today. So as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But please leave in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that I just received, because I love when you share with me in the comments. I have a voice here because I'm in front of a camera, but you have a voice in the comments on True Wants. So when you share with me, it is everything, because that's my communication to you guys. And like I said, that's everything for today. So take care, everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.